Okay, so homework and remembering, Unit 3, Lesson 7. This is kind of a mixed practice on the homework side for this homework, and you'll see you have multiplication, you have subtraction, and you also have addition. So let's look at some of the subtraction and addition, since that's going back to some of the things we already done. See if we remember that. It's been a while. So number 2 has 2/3 minus, that is a minus sign, 1/9. If you remember back to addition and subtraction, you cannot simply go across numerators into denominators. You have to make sure your denominators are the same size pieces. Right now, ninths are much smaller than thirds, so we need to make them equivalent. So we need to times 3 by 3, 2 by 3, and we get 6/9 minus 1/9. Now we have common denominators, and we can simply subtract across. 6 minus 1 is 5, and we keep that denominator of 9. So 5/9 for number 2. Alright, looking at number 5, this is an adding one. Now we can see we have fifths, which are bigger than thirds. Once again, not common denominators to start. So one of the strategies we remember is we can multiply 5 by the opposite denominator to get equivalent. So 5 times 3, if we do that to the denominator, we got to do that to the numerator. So we have 3/15 when we multiply that. Now we're going to multiply this 3 by the opposite denominator of 5. Do the same thing to the top and bottom to keep them equivalent. We have 10/15. And if we add those, 3 plus 10 is 13, and we keep that size piece 15ths. So 13/15. Number 13, I'm going to read it. This is a word problem. Rodrigo's fishbowl holds 7/8 gallon of water. It is now a half full. How much water is in it? So, it holds 7/8 of water. If we have 1/2 of 7/8, we know this is multiplication. So one thing great about multiplication, we can just go straight across the numerators and multiply. We don't have to have common denominators. 1 times 7 is 7. 2 times 8 is 16. So we have 7/16 gallons. Okay? So we took 1/2 of, that's what we say for multiplication a lot of times to get a better understanding. We took 1/2 of what was already in there, 7/8, which is 7/16. Okay, good luck on your homework tonight. Let me know if you have any questions at my email.